Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Donna Marie. Big up on a nice, clean self, Madonnas. More blessings and prosperity to all I know. I come across this comment and I want to do a little topic on it. I'm not going to stay long with you guys. I want to read what the person said because I did a video the other day talking about hobia in Jamaica. And, I heard of it over the years as a child. And me voice my opinion on it a few days ago, but I want to share what this person said, and this is the reason. That video is the reason why he leave this comment, and I want to voice my opinion at the end of it. All right, so him said, "Hi, growing up in Jamaica, I was innocent about this subject, but right now, I am much wiser. Even relationship, you have to do your own research to make sure you are dealing with good people. I remember that someone told me that subject is a part of Jamaica culture." All right, you know, and let me tell you why I said I want to voice my opinion at the end of it. That's the story. That's the comment I saw. And I'm just gonna share this. You see, I understand that every country have a culture, but there is things in your culture that you can break, and it's your mindset towards positivity, towards different things, upbringing in life. That is my belief. Just as if I make some goat soup once and put it on my Facebook page, and they come into my comment section and they blast me. They said the most ridiculous things of me cooking that soup. And they said that's not how Jamaican cook soup. Remember, I said goat soup. I didn't said manish water. I said goat soup. I grew up with my grandmother. I've been with her for until I was 15 years old. Remember, after I leave her, I pretty much on my own. So making manish water, I totally forget how my grandmother make it because I wasn't around anybody else who teach me. So I was cooking on my own since then. So all of what I know, even though it's in my blood, in my genes, that because all my family can cook, and I consider myself a chef. I comparing to a lot of people. All right. So I'm just saying the culture, yes, you want to bring your culture, but you want to bring the positivity about your culture. So it's all in your mindset to change what you want to do for your culture. You need to break these spells. This is nothing have to do with culture. This is have to do with people and their mindset. And is the soup is a perfect example of what I am talking about, because I cook the soup, I said soup. I didn't say I'm cooking manish water. I add different stuff to the soup from what they would have had to a manish water. So they tell me that that's not how soup cook, and that is stupidness. I will come on the internet, I teach people things, and where. Did you know that last weekend there was a funeral? My mother-in-law husband passed, and I cook, and it was over 80 people was at that funeral. Everybody have a cup of soup. And I have a video that I post on my YouTube page with that same soup, that same making a soup. And that's how I make my goat soup all the time. And when I tell you, from the whole to the young to the medium, that was off the train. Everybody talking about the soup. I did a little video, just a little clip, because it's the talk of the town. Even 1 week later, people are still talking. People wants to get catering for me because of that soup. So I'm just going to say, you have to change your mindset, and you can't make people dictate what you should do, what to be a part of your culture. You cannot make people dictate that to you. God is love. Positivity is of God. So when you dwell into the negativity with that mindset, just know there is two sides to life, the good and the bad. What you choose to do is a part of the culture, buying it up. You think it's not right, bind it up. It's not good. So we don't want to dwell ourselves into that part of negativity. We get what you say, it's out there and it's wise, but it's sickening. It's not right. It's not something that is right. That is some form of cult. That is some form of demonic. That is some form of wrongdoing. That is just not right. So we don't want to dwell ourselves into it. And I am not dwelling myself into these things because I want my faith, my spirit. Yeah, I might not go to church, go jump up like where them feel you have to do. But the heart that I have towards humanity, it must be pure. And even if somebody get me upset, I'm a cuss, I'm a go back. Today, just no say. Me no want go my bed with you in my heart. Me want to pray about it. I want to let it go. Me not walk around with baggage on my head. Me not want to do them things. Because I can go in bed and I don't wake. And I want to make sure, say, God, get me peace. I want to tell him, say, to clear my conscience and clear my heart. I don't want nothing negative in there. And that is how I feel. The culture is there. But what make the culture, the people, that should never be a part of no culture. It is not right. So we can't get up and dwell in there. Me no want to feed my pitney them bodies. Me no discuss them something here with my children. Them, you know. I've never had this kind of conversation with my children. No, because I don't respect that part of the culture. Because in my knowledge, it's things that you do evil to people. That is what I get from it. I don't do no research on it. But everything when we hear about it, is always something bad. It's never nothing. Me not go say me not hear it when me a pitney. Once in a while, oh, people are do them this, people are hold on this, people are hold on. Me hear it. But it is so annoying. It is very annoying to me and it's disgusting and we feel like say we need to break this curse, break this spell. A part of the culture, yes or no, it need to break. Because God is love and I don't understand why we can't think more positive and full of heart with positivity. And when we feel like something is coming towards you that is negative, pray and ask God to take it away. Because if you believe God in your heart, I don't see the reason for you not to believe that whatever it is, Him can remove it. Me tell you no, you know. Me tell you no, say, me know in another country here for long. And I share this with you, you know. I remember home, I was sick and I started a little business. And I tell myself, say, you know, I don't really want to go to go work for nobody. I want to work for myself. So I decide to start a little LLC and start doing my own start my little entrepreneur journey. No money now come in, but me I start it and stuff. During the time when me did the home, I never well, never that work, I'm in the home. And when I tell you, say, my sister said me, things are good on, me I go in a debt, me I go in a debt. And I say, me go down for me knee and I say, God, you know me tell us I me no want no work. Me no want go work for nobody more. Me want business. We can pay myself. And me say, me go pray. And me ask God. First of all, me did send somebody because a long time me never see me. You know, me leave Jamaica, never seen my father house in a long time. Me not going there. So me send somebody go do a video in my father house. And me never like how in the look. And me say, me I go lick down him house and rebuild up him room and kitchen and veranda game. Cause a family live amongst my father, you know, me want to fix up in place. And me say, when me see the video, I was so embarrassed. And me say, God, me know me tell you say me no want no work. And as much as how me have this whole heap of bills for me want a work. renovate my father place. And me pray about it the night. When me tell you say me pray with my heart. And the following morning when me wake up, me get a phone call about our work. And I was very pleased. And I've worked that money and spend about 1.8 million and renovate my father's house. One room, because I'm alone. That's where in bed, in dresser, in stove, and that's where everything. And buy everything and tile out in house and pretty nice ceramic tiles. Take off in whole entire roof and seal it. And when me tell you say, me said to myself, say me I gotta pretend like me not work same way. But yeah, me have to buy gas to go to work and me have to do what me have to do. And at that me tell myself say, and when me tell you say, I work and I put every penny I send to go pay a workman, to go do this, to go do that, to renovate. The project take like about a month or a month and something to finish. And I renovate the house. And you see when I done, I start to focus on the whole heap of credit card them when me owe and the whole heap of bill. Cause you know you not work, you do yourself in a debt with all these credit cards. And I work and I pay every penny after me finish renovating my father's house. And me say me need to set myself in a way where me not get there. Me want to set myself in a way where me can go on vacation and go enjoy my life because me I work for me idea me need clothes and shoes is not my problem. Me not show off for nobody. I just want peace. I want to go enjoy my life because me I work for me idea and me need to carry water on my head. And I struggle. But God is love. And let me tell you see my mother, that is another story. Me share it with you know another day. She not here no more. But me gonna share that story that we don't know one day. Anyways, me not stay no longer with you. I'm just saying, believe, kill and believe, because we grew up hearing that. Is what you put your mind to and the power of God within you. Because God in everyone and we know. It's just where we choose to do with it. You want to stay positive or you want to stay negative. The power is in the tongue. Where you choose to do. The things them where you spit off of your mouth are this so. You are go. Because you are calling down upon yourself. So I like yourself and stay positive. Remember me I tell you no, me day here and me I tell myself for about 3 years, me no want to go back. Me no want. And at this so me sit down here and me never want to because me I push myself to see what me can do to start something for myself, but it just never that work. It never did that work. I have so many stories I can share with you, and I will, because a lot of the story them, each one teach one. And if my story don't motivate you, somebody else's story will. But that not gonna stop me from share my story. And yeah, just believe that God love you and stay positive in your life. You know, cherish the moment then where you have with God, things them where God do for you and uplift you. Think about that. Stay positive. Keep him in your heart. And things will work out for you. Ask him for what you want, what you desire. You know? Ask him. I love my God. And me can say it anyway. Can I say it right as a tone upon this life. Me love my God. And me want to stay that way there because me not make nobody. Even when you come in on my comment section on Facebook and cuss me out. Me no business. Me black or no. Black some of them out of my head. Some very nasty comments some of them put over there because my voice my opinion. What they again for one food when me buy on the road. I just want them to do better. Because me spend my $22 and when me go away and open the food, it's like it was disgusting how the food looked. with this whole heap of oil and all them something. Then do me bad in the comment section. But the reason for me posting that is to voice my opinion and said, you know, people are spending their money, so you know gotta cheat people. That's why I don't really like to buy food I road, you know. I like cook cause I love cook. But I was very upset and it caused me to do the video and me post the video saying that that's why I not buy food I road, you know. But sometimes you're out there and your people them out there do them thing and you want to support them too. So I'm not gonna say I not buy food I road. It come off that way there. But me buy food when me ready. But once in a while, maybe what 2%? And me life me buy food, maybe 2%. Me always a cook on me yard. Me not buy food for purpose because sometimes the things them we use cook the food is not something when me want to consume. So we're very picky when it come on to food. Anyways, 10 story now one. I don't just love God. Anytime when you see me share something, me want things to be better. That's my purpose of sharing it. It's not like okay, me I share it because me want views. That's not the point. The point is this page is to voice my opinion, share my thoughts, you know, and grow as a community. That's the purpose of this. You know, me meet new people, you know, we love upon each other. If you have something, you have your brand and you grow it and me buy or me support something from you, buy something from you or whatever it is. And me support your channel because you are grow your channel and you grow your community. Support, you know, build and support. That is my reason of being here. Because social media is not like social media pay my bills. No, it's not. It's not. The little chop-ons where they give me on social media in our account from last year. Me no trouble it. One little chop-ons every now and then. That some month nothing. So it's not like okay, me I make money pan. It's not like that. So I don't get it twisted. Big up on yourself. Take care. Bye, Madonnas. Love you now. Bye.